Imagine looking at the universe when it was less than 1 billion years old. No sun, no Earth, no Milky Way, just darkness, gas, and the very first galaxies struggling to form. And then, something impossible appears. 5 galaxies colliding with each other at the same time. Not 2, not 3, 5. According to everything we thought we knew, this simply should not exist. But the James Webb Space Telescope has just seen it. And now astronomers are questioning how the early universe really worked. Until recently, scientists believed that the young universe was too chaotic and too undeveloped for large, complex galaxy mergers. Galaxies were small, fragile, and isolated. Collisions, if they happened at all, were simple, usually involving just 2 galaxies. Massive mergers were supposed to come much later, but Webb just shattered that idea. The system is known as JWST's quintet, a group of 5 galaxies caught in the act of colliding and merging only 800 million years after the Big Bang. To put that into perspective, the universe today is about 13.8 billion years old. This observation looks back to a time when the cosmos had lived through less than 6% of its entire history. And yet what Webb sees is not a quiet, primitive universe, but a violent one. What truly stunned astronomers wasn't just the collision itself, it was what these galaxies are doing inside. JWST's quintet is forming stars at an extraordinary rate, around 250 solar masses per year. That is enormous. Our own Milky Way forms only 1 or 2 solar masses of stars per year. Even by early universe standards, this level of star formation is extreme. These galaxies are burning bright, fast, and intensely, like cosmic engines running at full power. The galaxies in this system are packed tightly together, separated by only tens of thousands of light years. On cosmic scales, that's incredibly close. Their gravity is tearing them apart. Gas clouds are colliding. Shock waves ripple through their structures. This isn't a graceful interaction. It's a violent galactic crash. And then Webb revealed something even more surprising. Surrounding 4 of the 5 galaxies is a vast halo of ionized oxygen and hydrogen, glowing gas extending far beyond the galaxies themselves. This tells scientists that the collisions are powerful enough to rip enriched gas out of the galaxies and throw it into surrounding space. In other words, these mergers aren't just building galaxies, they're chemically transforming the universe. Heavy elements like oxygen, carbon, and iron were not created in the Big Bang. They are forged inside stars. And when stars die, especially in violent environments like this, those elements are released into space. JWST's quintet appears to act like a massive enrichment engine, spreading heavy elements into the surrounding cosmic medium far earlier than expected. This helps explain something that has puzzled astronomers for years. Just 1 to 1.5 billion years after the Big Bang, scientists have observed massive galaxies that are already dead, no longer forming stars. They are huge, they are heavy, and yet they are quiet. How did they grow so big so fast? JWST's quintet may be the answer. If galaxies in the early universe went through extremely intense growth phases, producing stars at enormous rates and merging repeatedly, they could rapidly build up mass, but that kind of growth burns through gas quickly. Once the fuel is gone, star formation stops. A violent youth followed by a silent adulthood. The discovery, published in Nature Astronomy by a team led by astronomers at Texas A&M University, forces scientists to rethink long-standing models of galaxy formation. The early universe was not slow. It was not gentle. It was aggressive, dynamic, and chaotic. Galaxies didn't patiently grow over billions of years. Some of them exploded into existence. Once again, the James Webb Space Telescope has done exactly what it was built to do. It looked farther back in time than ever before and found something no one expected. A universe that played rough from the very beginning. And perhaps every atom of oxygen we breathe, Every atom of iron in our blood can trace its origins back to violent collisions like this. Ancient galaxies crashing, burning bright, and reshaping the cosmos. The only real question now is this: if Webb has already found something this impossible, what else is waiting to be discovered?